Today, we will be learning about magic. Do you want to see it? Okay, let's do it. You want to see this? I made it crazy out of clay. Yeah, I made myself out of clay. Crazy, huh? So now I'm back to normal. How does that work exactly? I don't know. So then we play. And I'll make myself gray. I don't know. Look. Okay, guys, if you don't notice, I'm gonna try and paint this. So can we take cameras on this thing? Can we? I don't know. But look at this magic recording me. Isn't it awesome? There's a broomstick. Right there. I mean, right over there. And there's a bookshelf. And there's some creepy doll thing on top of it. And yes! But next effect. I'm in black and white. Look at me. Oh, I will come and strike. Gotcha. Meow. Okay, can I go back to that? I don't know. Whoa, what the heck happened? Hold on a minute. Hold on. There it go. Ooh, pop. I want to pop them. Aw, they won't pop. It was still worth a try. But look at me. I'm moving bubbles. Look at me. Okay, guys. Mario dancing. First, what I do is I cross my legs. What I do is I hip. Then what I do is woo. Then what I do is okay. I'm gonna color. First, what I do. I make it like that. Then I want to color. Okay, erase, reboot. Beep. No, I didn't want to do that. I still want it on clay. Hold on. There's 3 of me, 4 of me, 2 of me, 1 of me. Now it's raining on me. And now it's raining presents on me, and I'm creepy Dracula. Mama, come down here! This is awesome! Watch this. This is gonna big bloody horror. Mama, come here! Now we are learning about vampires. They're a kind of monster and they will suck your blood.
Sonny, here comes your buddy.
Hold on. Okay, I'll see you next time.